Hi everybody, welcome back to Black Nomad Diaries. Here in this video I'm going to share just a few clips with you of me playing around with the new DJI NEO drone that I've added to my arsenal. Alright, here in this clip I am controlling the drone using the DJI Fly app. The app comes with a virtual controller that you can use to control the drone via your phone. Right now it is very windy in this clip, and so the drone is kind of rocking back and forth. Unfortunately, the drone does not hold up very well to high windy areas. So if you do purchase this drone, make sure the winds are calm before your first flight, or at the very least fly the drone low to the ground. And yeah, this concludes this clip right here.
Landing.
All right, moving on to the next clip, you guys. All right, you guys, in this clip, I'm demonstrating the follow mode. This mode will literally just follow you around, and using the DJI Fly app, you can set the distance at which the drone will follow you, as well as the height at which the drone will fly. Alright, in this clip we're demonstrating the boomerang mode. The drone will fly up and then fly away to catch a wide angle view, and then it will return. Okay, don't do what I do and stand next to an obstacle, because it will hit that obstacle. Alright, in this clip we are demonstrating the circle mode or the spotlight mode. You can set on the drone or in the app. Basically, you can stand center and the drone will hover around you in a circle, catching everything in view around you. Alright guys, in this clip we're demonstrating the rocket mode. The drone will launch itself very quickly directly up into the sky and then hover above, and after 3 seconds of the target just remaining still, the drone will slowly descend back to where it originally took off from. Alright you guys, in this clip I'm demonstrating the custom mode that you can set on the DJI Fly app. You can set the height, the distance at which the drone will fly. You can also set it to circle you, comet above you, fly up around, or follow you. It's a really cool setting that you can play with. And here I'm just trying to get the drone to like fly in front of me versus just following behind me. And another awesome thing you can do is you can actually use your cell phone to record audio while you're controlling the drone and it's following you around. So far, I have yet to crash this drone. So hopefully I can keep up with that and not crash it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed these few short clips of me playing around with the drone and almost crashing it into the van a few times. Because I know when I first started using it and it went into the rocket mode and it flew off into the air, I was really scared that it wouldn't come back down. Or even worse, it would just fly off on its own. Because there have been reports of that happening. It losing connection to the mobile device and just either flying off on its own or just falling out of the sky or landing on its own in random places. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video and these random clips of me playing around with the drone. Hopefully there will be better footage that comes in the future as I learn to use the drone better. Bye y'all.